Hey everyone, if ShareX isn't working the way you expect, or you've changed so many settings that you'd rather start fresh, resetting the application can be the quickest solution. In this full guide, I'll show you how to reset ShareX safely while also explaining how to back up your settings first. So let's get started. Before resetting anything, consider backing up your current settings. Open Application Settings, then look for the Settings tab where you can export your configuration. Yeah, this gives you a backup that you can restore later if you change your mind. If your version of ShareX includes a Reset Settings option, open Application Settings, go to the Settings section, and choose Reset. Confirm the prompt to restore the default configuration. I mean, this is the easiest way to return ShareX to its original settings. If you don't have a built-in reset option, completely close ShareX before continuing. Don't forget to check the system tray and exit the application if it's still running in the background. Next, open your ShareX configuration folder, which is usually located inside your Documents folder. You can delete the configuration files or remove the entire ShareX settings folder if you want a complete reset. ShareX will create fresh default settings the next time it starts. Now reopen ShareX since the previous configuration has been removed. The application should start with its default settings, just like a fresh installation. Finally, customize ShareX again if needed. You can reassign hotkeys, change your save location, configure uploads, and import your backup if you exported one earlier. Yeah, this lets you quickly get back to your preferred workflow. And that's how to reset ShareX. Whether you use the built-in reset feature or manually remove the configuration files, restoring the default settings can solve many common problems and give you a clean starting point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.